Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something different for you, a way to run Ubuntu without the usual complications. That's right, no dual boot, no VMware, no VirtualBox, no messy partitions or boot menus, just Ubuntu Linux running natively inside Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu using a powerful method called the Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL for short. WSL2 requires Windows 10, build 18362, or later, or you can install it in Windows 11. This method is light, fast, and perfect for penetration testing or simply exploring Ubuntu, all from your Windows environment. No reboots, no external tools, just a few commands and you're in. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, you need to make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS or UEFI settings. Here's how to check. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and click on CPU. On the bottom right, look for a line that says Virtualization. If it says Enabled, you're good to go. If it says Disabled, you'll need to restart your PC. Enter the BIOS or UEFI and enable virtualization manually. Next, let's enable the required features for WSL. Go to the Start menu and type Turn Windows feature on and off. Over here, scroll down and check and enable option of Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Then click OK. Once that's done, click Restart button. After restarting your computer, we're now ready to install WSL, the Windows Subsystem for Linux. To begin, open the Start menu and type Windows PowerShell. Click on it to open. First, let's update WSL or install it. For that, type the command WSL --update. This command will automatically download, install, and update WSL to the latest version. Once that's done, check your installed version by typing the command WSL --version. Now, let's take a look at the Linux distributions available online for WSL. Type this command WSL --list --online. You'll see a list of different Linux distributions you can install, including some popular ones like Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Arch, and Kali Linux. To download and install Ubuntu Linux, use this command WSL --install -d, the exact same name of Ubuntu from the above list. The installation is now in progress. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Once the installation is completed, the setup will ask to set up username and password. So let's configure username and password for Ubuntu login. I'll use Fixbyte as the username in this demo. Next, choose a strong password. Remember, when you type password, it will not be visible to you due to security reasons. And then confirm it. Once that's done, your username and password will be successfully configured, and the Ubuntu terminal will be fully launched for the first time. Now, let's check the version of Ubuntu installed on your system. Type the following command lsb_release-a. This will display the details about your Ubuntu version. In this case, we can see it's the latest version of Ubuntu. Go ahead and close this session for now. Now, let's go and launch Ubuntu from Start. Go to the Start menu and search for Ubuntu. Click on the Ubuntu icon to open a new terminal session. Before we begin using it, let's make sure it's fully up to date. Type the following command on the screen. Then enter your password when prompted and press Enter. The update process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Now, let's explore how to install tools in Ubuntu on WSL. For demo purpose, let me show you how to install John the Ripper, a powerful password cracking tool. To install any tool, use the command. Now, John the Ripper is successfully installed. Now you can use this tool in Ubuntu. And that's it. Ubuntu is now fully installed on your Windows PC using WSL2. You can start using powerful Linux tools directly inside Windows. No dual boot or VM required. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech guides. Got questions or ran into issues? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.